Want a new reality? Experience virtual reality like never before with Meta Quest 3. Enjoy 30% sharper resolution, bringing every detail to life. Powered by 2 times the graphical processing, Meta Quest 3 delivers incredibly smooth and responsive gameplay. No wires, no limits. Dive into expansive virtual worlds with complete freedom of movement. Your adventures await. Unlock endless entertainment with access to over 40 games, plus a 3-month trial of Meta Horizon Plus included. Your next favorite game is here. Experience true freedom like never before. With Meta Quest 3, move untethered through incredible virtual worlds, feeling every moment. No wires to hold you back, just pure immersive gameplay and powerful processing at your fingertips. Take control. Connect with friends across the globe in shared virtual spaces. Play together, collaborate on projects, or simply hang out. Meta Quest 3 brings people closer, no matter the distance, creating unforgettable memories. Witness groundbreaking innovation with advanced mixed reality. Seamlessly blend your physical and virtual worlds. Hand tracking allows intuitive interaction, making digital objects feel real. This is the future, now. Prepare to be truly amazed. Dive into breathtaking landscapes, encounter fantastical creatures, and explore impossible architectures with unparalleled realism. Every detail is rendered with stunning clarity, transporting you to worlds beyond your wildest imagination. Setup is effortless. Grab your Meta Quest 3, put it on, and instantly jump into action. With a massive library and a 3-month trial of Meta Horizon Plus, your next adventure is always just a tap away, wherever you are. Pure convenience. Experience a leap in virtual reality. With 30% sharper resolution and double the graphical processing power, every world comes alive. Feel the breathtaking detail, the vibrant colors, and the seamless immersion as if you're truly there. This isn't just gaming, it's entering a new dimension. Unleash true virtual reality without wires, giving you unparalleled freedom to move, explore, and conquer. Dive into an expansive library with access to over 40 games, and get started instantly with a 3-month trial of Meta Horizon Plus included. Your next adventure is waiting, completely untethered. Ready to redefine your reality? The Meta Quest 3 with 512GB storage is your gateway to unparalleled virtual worlds. Experience 30% sharper resolution, double the graphical power, and the freedom of wireless VR. Plus, kickstart your journey with a 3-month trial of Meta Horizon Plus for access to over 40 games. Don't just watch the future, step into it. Get your Meta Quest 3 today on Amazon.com and unlock endless possibilities. The ultimate VR experience awaits.